Hello and welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. Today I'm doing something different because this plant, I don't know the name of this one. These are the leaves. I think they have bloomed because this is a seed pod. So I think I missed the blooming. And I don't know what it is yet. Because I got this in my garden and it's not my own plant, but I don't know. They flew over, I guess, because there are seeds in here, so it has flowered already, I guess. But I don't know what it is. This is a seed pod. Here, there's some greeny seeds in here. So they are just growing. So I think I missed the blooming stage. So I don't know which flowers these are. But this is the plant and I want to know what it is. Can you tell me? I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.